Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal halves and press well. Open it and fold it from the other side and press it. Open it up, fold the corners towards the midpoint from all the four sides like this and press them. Now fold it and press. Again from the other side, press it. Open it up. Fold this side towards the middle crease. Then from the other side, press it. Now fold it like this from one side and now fold a triangle from both the sides and press it back. Open it. Now fold it like this. Fold it upwards and downwards like this. Now fold all the corners inward. Like this. Fold it and press. Then from the other side, press it. Now tuck it in from all four sides. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members, and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Like this. Now give it a sharp shape. Like this. Again. And it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.